Welcome to my cruise diary part 2. Well, it was 2 stops, one in Roatan in Mahogany Bay. We had a great time there. We went on the beach. We didn't have a lot of expectations because last time we were there it was so busy, so crowded. I mean, we still had a good time last time, but this time it was just us, our ship. Not many, like there were lots of people, but it wasn't overcrowded, and we enjoyed our time there fully. Weather was beautiful, water was amazing, warm still. So yeah, we spent a few hours on this beach. Loved it. Was Belize. Belize is a tender port, and we decided just to stay on the ship. So first part of the day I was walking around the ship filming, and then I had a horrible migraine, so I spent second part of the day in bed and I didn't even go to dinner. So today was a sea day, and today was a formal night, and today was gala dinner, and today we had lobsters and meat and tuna. I mean, food on this ship is incredible, and food in dining room, we are like 200% happy about this food. Amazing. So we had amazing dinner, we were so full, and then we had a reservation for a Spellbound. And let me tell you, if you are on these ships as a Sun Princess or Star Princess, you have to go. This experience is undescribable. Well, first of all, you get 2 drinks, and this is like unique drinks for this bar. While you're having your drinks, the magician goes around and shows his, tricks, and then you go see the show. You're not allowed to film, so you have to believe my words and experience it yourself if you are on a ship. It's something else. I don't know how he does it. I don't know. We were impressed, to say the least. And it's like a small group. It's not a big bar, and very nice indeed. So that was our last 3 days. Tomorrow we have a cozy bell and we bought an excursion, just a beach day, and then it's gonna be sea day, and I think I'm gonna do one more diary at the end of that sea day, and then we're gonna fly home. I just want to talk about a little bit about our cabin. As I said before, cabin is amazing. I think princess mattresses and bed and like the pillows are the best, and we like to sleep low on the soft pillows, and these pillows are just like made for us. But there is a but. I don't know who designed it. Let me show. So if you are opening your closet and someone here by the closet, right? And then someone else wants to go into the bathroom, it's not happening. See? That's it. You're stuck. You're doomed. That's very tight. Yeah. And there are 2 of us in this cabin. Then in the bathroom, the shower opens here. And I don't know how, if I want to walk into the shower, it's hard to show you. It's probably better be if it was like a sliding door, honestly, because very tight otherwise. Otherwise, it's lots of space, unless you want to open shower door. And that's the between the toilet and shower door, that's how much space you have. Yeah, anyway, that's the only complaint we have. Very narrow passage here. Only one person basically can go here. Yeah, but other than that, we are pretty happy, let me tell you. The cruise, the shape, the food, the people, everything is exceptional. We are really enjoying our cruise. Yeah, a couple of days ago, the captain told us that there is gastrointestinal thing is going on, and we all know what it means. It's a norovirus. So we are, of course, washing our hands anywhere, everywhere, trying not to touch stuff. It's scary. Sometimes I'd like to stay in a cabin. I try to put my mind at ease, but still you have to be like wash your hands and not touch things and wash your hands again. So hopefully rest of our cruise will go smoothly and without any accidents and sicknesses and all that. Okay, that was the diary part 2, and I'll see you in part 3.